The 1000W folding electric bike equipped with a 48V 20AH removable battery is a remarkable blend of power, portability, and convenience, making it an ideal choice for commuting, leisure rides, and everything in between. With a peak speed of over 30 miles per hour, this e-bike offers an exhilarating ride that combines modern design with functional features. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its powerful 1000W motor. This high-capacity motor delivers impressive torque and acceleration, allowing riders to tackle steep hills and difficult terrains with ease. Whether you're navigating through city streets or exploring off-road trails, the bike's robust performance ensures that you can confidently handle varying landscapes. The motor is surprisingly quiet, which adds to the overall pleasant riding experience while ensuring that you maintain a low profile. The 48V 20AH large removable battery is another noteworthy aspect of this electric bike. The ability to remove the battery not only simplifies charging but also adds a layer of security. Users can easily take the battery indoors or to their workplace for recharging, eliminating the hassle of needing to bring the entire bike inside. When fully charged, the battery provides an impressive range, allowing riders to travel anywhere from 30 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on factors like terrain, rider weight, and the level of pedal assistance used. This extensive range makes it perfectly suited for daily commutes or longer recreational rides. Folding electric bikes often sacrifice ride quality for compactness, but this model defies that trend. It folds down into a conveniently manageable size, making it easy to store in small spaces or transport in a car trunk or on public transport. The folding mechanism is straightforward, and the bike locks securely in both its riding and folded positions, ensuring safety and stability. Weighing around 60 pounds, it is relatively lightweight for an electric bike of this caliber, though it might require some effort to lift for those with physical constraints. Comfort is another critical aspect of the riding experience, and this bike does not disappoint. It features an adjustable seat that offers ample cushioning, providing a comfortable ride over long distances. The handlebars are also adjustable, allowing for a customizable fit that suits various rider heights and preferences. The bike is equipped with a front suspension system and fat tires, which effectively absorb bumps and shocks, ensuring a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. In terms of safety, the bike is fitted with front and rear disc brakes that offer reliable stopping power in various weather conditions. The braking system is responsive, providing peace of mind, especially when riding at higher speeds. Additionally, built-in LED lights enhance visibility during nighttime rides, ensuring that you are seen by others, which is crucial for urban commuting. The digital display integrated into the handlebars is intuitive and easy to read, showcasing essential information such as speed, battery level, distance traveled, and power mode. Riders can easily switch between different levels of pedal assistance, allowing for a tailored riding experience that meets individual preferences and energy levels. This feature is particularly useful for those who want to maintain exertion during their rides or conserve battery life. A few minor drawbacks do exist. For instance, while the bike's weight is manageable, it may be cumbersome for some users to lift regularly, particularly when navigating stairs or uneven terrain. The assembly process can also be somewhat tricky for those unfamiliar with bike mechanics, though most users should manage with a little patience and following the provided instructions. Additionally, while the bike boasts impressive speed and power, those who are looking for a more traditional riding experience may find the ride feel slightly different compared to non-electric bikes. In conclusion, the 1000W folding electric bike with a 48V 20AH removable battery is an exceptional choice for urban commuters and outdoor enthusiasts alike. It combines power, portability, and comfort into a sleek design, making it a versatile option for a variety of riding scenarios. With its high-speed, long-range battery, and thoughtful features, this electric bike is a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to elevate their riding experience. Whether you are commuting to work,